What is good, people? Welcome back to a market review. Got minions playing in the background. Feeling pretty good. Um, Quick update. We are starting a pressure washing business, baby. Pressure washing park drive-throughs, houses, gutters. What else? Car detailing. I'm doing multi-lawn care. What else you want? Deck staining. We doing it. That last video, hopefully that's motivation to somebody out there, bro. If I can do it, you can do it. If I look at this, bro, I've had this box for like months, bro. At the old house, this is when I made this. I made this months ago, bro. It's simple. Simple, bro. Simple. Yo, I probably shouldn't have leaked my number, but simple, bro. You know, it's simple like that. It's like that. What you talking about? Alright, let's do a little quick market update before the week starts. It's already 5 p.m. Yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna go over here. Alright, we got USD CHF. I ain't gonna lie, bro, it took me 2 hours to do this. 2 hours. Yo, it sucked. My feet were tingling. I don't know, I have like ADHD or something. My feet were tingling. It took me almost 2 hours to review, and this is all I got right here. Honestly, it's a good amount. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 markets, bro. That's something. All right. So let's see. We got. Matter of fact, oh my goodness. All right. Let's do it right. Yeah. All right. We got weekly bearish. All right. We're at the bottom of this. I know this has potential. It has potential to just fill in this wick right here, or it might create a double bottom and then we're gonna go up. On the daily though, this is what's making me kind of happy. I don't know why these lines aren't on here, but this is the lower high. I wouldn't really count this as a lower high. This is a lower high right here, and then this is a lower low. All right, we got that right there. Yo, my bad for the background. Matter of fact, I'm gonna keep playing the minions in the background, bro. Alright, then we have daily lower high, lower low. We are at a retracement. Now I'm waiting for this push right here. Maybe um tomorrow, Monday, is gonna have a doji, maybe slow down a little bit. Then we're gonna have a push off. So we have to be patient. So now we have a shifter structure right here. Lower high, lower low. Now I'm just waiting for a break, retest, and an engulfing right here. Simple, beautiful. Weekly, we have it. This is kind of a weird market, but I'm still trade it. Gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? You gotta see the opportunity somewhere, right? But I don't mean that like if you don't see an opportunity, bro. There's so many that I've eliminated. I like was writing down the confluences to take the trade, and then I just ended up not liking it. But here you go. We have weekly. What do we have it as? Lower high, lower low. So in the middle of this, we put a daily area of interest because we're having a move now. So we have a lower high and now we're lower low. We're pulling back. We have that daily doji that I'm talking about. Now I'm just waiting for a little wake up. Then go down to the 4 hour, lower high, lower low, 4 hour engulfing. Beautiful. That's literally what we look for. Higher high, higher low. Now we're waiting for this higher low to create this higher high. Possibly a new higher low, higher high. Then through this little magical higher low, we have to break through it to create a lower high, lower low. So now we're bearish on the low time frame. Then we pull back to the area of interest. Then we wait for a dang engulfing. Simple. All right, now we go to the next trade. We go to GBP USD. We are weekly. We are lower high, lower low. We have a weekly bearish engulfing. Beautiful. That already gives me confirmation. Lower high, lower low. Now I'm just waiting for the daily to give me a retracement. Possibly another day to give me the daily doji. Then the next day will probably take off. What is that? 3 days in total. Be patient. Don't be a bum. Stop trying to chase the money. It's going to come to you. If it comes to you, if it doesn't, it doesn't. Simple as it is. If you lose money, whatever. This is part of the game. All right. 4 hour. Lower high, lower low. Beautiful. When we pull back, we're still going to be bearish. Beautiful. This is everything you look for. 4 hours going to dip. Simple. Simple. All right. All right, so we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. I forgot to add this up. 65%. And now you're like, why are you going to take a 65% trade? I'm not. I'm waiting for the shift of structure, and I'm waiting for the engulfing. All right, so this is a B plus setup because both of these are 10% added on. So we do have a shift of structure. We are bearish, but now if I want it to pull back, it's going to pull back higher low, higher high, higher low. Then I have to wait for the shift of structure break and retest, and then simple. If I'm going too fast, let me know down in the comments to break it down for you. But guess what? I don't got no people to comment except for my beautiful wife, and I love her so much. But basically it. You know what I'm saying? But you see, I'm gonna go fast now. I'm still upload because it's that grind. You know what I'm saying? All right, so shift the structure. You know, look. Matter of fact, this is literally all I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we get to this point. I would want to shift the structure in the area of interest, break, retest, engulfing, just like this engulfing right here. That would be beautiful. Beautiful. Excelente. All right. That's what I'm waiting for. GP, JPY, what am I waiting for? We are at a higher high. Why are you not buying when weekly's bullish, right? I'm taking a counter trend trade, right? Now daily went bearish. Now I'm waiting for this pullback, doji, rejection to the weekly area of interest so we can create a higher low. If we're creating a higher low, we need a retracement, which that means daily needs to go bearish. So we did, waiting for a pullback, and then on the 4 hour it has to be bearish. If I want daily 4 hour, that's 2 time frames in sync. Beautiful, that's what I want. Now I'm just waiting for this pullback and waiting for my confluences. Simple, GBP, JPY, Euro CAD, Euro CAD, basically whatever. Lower high, lower low, basically the same trade, as you can kind of tell. It's basically the same thing. GBP NZD, I'm waiting for. We're not at a lower high. We're not at a higher high, so I'm interested in buying because we've reached to this area. So now I'm waiting for this higher low, rejection, doji. We get in the gold. Simple as that. Look at that. Look at that. Money coming. Money coming. What you talking about? Break and retest after that, engulfing 30-minute USD CHF. This is why it's important to set alarms. This is beautiful. Beautiful. We literally just did this right now. We just did this. We just did this. Now I'm waiting for a retest, but it hasn't closed yet. It hasn't closed yet. So I can't confirm. This could easily just pull back and just create a wick. You gotta wait. Be patient. Don't take a trade Sunday night. Don't take a trade Sunday at 10 p.m., 11 p.m. Wait for 12 midnight max. Then wait for London. That's like London. That's like London before session, right? Lauren, please. I'm saving you a lot of money and a lot of time. Alright, y'all. That's it. Market review, you know what I'm saying, every Sunday. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I keep uploading. If not, I don't. But if I do, I hope y'all enjoy these videos, and hopefully in the future I can look back at this and be like, dang, that's that boy. That's that boy Eli, man. He's really pushing. He really pushed through. He's really inspiring other people now. So hopefully I get to that point. Matter of fact, I will get to that point. You know, this is faith. Only through Jesus I'm here. Only through Jesus I get this idea of trading Forex. Only through Jesus I've done this whole business. Only through Jesus. Alright? And if you don't like that, go ahead and get out. I'm not like TJR. I'm not like Alex G. I don't, like, no offense, but I believe in a God, and I believe in Jesus. I believe in Jesus Christ of Nazareth that died on the cross for me and you. And this is not religion. It's not. And take that to account. If I say it's not religion, what does he mean by that? What is religion? All right, this is a relationship. All right, just how you grow in a relationship with a girl, just how you talk to her, how you send her nice texts, whatever. This is the same way. Don't look at God as, I'm not sure how to explain it, as a set of rules. It's not like that. That's how I used to be. I used to smoke every day. I used to smoke on that pound cake, whatever, those carts. It wasn't worth it. It really wasn't. But guess what? I had to go through that. And to you, if you're smoking carts, you're waking up, bro. I used to do it with wires, bro, every day, and I had a good life, bro. I was just rebellious to God for no reason. But guess what? I learned. So yeah, man. Enough of me yapping. All glory to God. I just played the drums. We got some new drums, bro. They're worth over like 3 bands, but we got them for like 600, bro. God's good. God's great. And yeah, man. I'll see y'all in another video, and I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I really do. And look, this is the real me, baby. Come on. Like, I hate trying to act for YouTube. Like, this is just me. We're chilling. Little market review. Look at this while what I'm talking about. Look, what is that? Like, what is that? That's crazy. And that's why you don't want to hold trades over the weekend, because you can get wiped out just like this. All right, enough of me yapping. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.